Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can create folders for your iPhone photos or albums within your photos, so you can separate the photos from a specific event within your iPhone, and it will be stored in a specific album. And today we'll learn how you can do this easily. So let's get started. If you go to the photos, a photo section will like this come up, and if you swipe up all the way down, there are some options here like pin collection memories in iOS 18 above. What you need to do is you just see that there is an album option here. What you need to do is tap on it, and after going to the album option, it will show you different albums here. And now you can see that there is an option in the top right corner is create. Once you put down the create button and tap on it, now you can add a new folder to your photos site, or you can create a new album. So that's how we can create a new album like this. We can add photos within it and name the album, and adjust the photos accordingly to our needs. So I hope this video helped you out in creating the folders or creating the albums within your iPhone photos, and helping you sorting out your photos. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and supporting us. Until next video, bye bye.